was daydreaming about the beautiful waterfall in Bowen when suddenly... Look at these nasty things you find on the ground here. I've stepped on 3 of those so far in my bare skin and oh my god, look at this. They stick to your shoes underneath and they're rigid as well, like ouch. Time to get away from that painful area and get back on the road. Sadly, instead we encountered more fires and more smoke. Guys, it's nasty smoke around here. We're staying in a free rest spot, but we're going to just move along and go to the caravan park early in Broome because it's stinky. And we're also leaving because there were flies, a lot of dust, and Elliot just kept trying to swat out the flies out of his face, poor thing. So here we come, Broome. Just got to Broome, and the first thing we do when we get back to civilization is wash the van and wash Elliot because he's still filthy. I think he knows it. Don't cry, Elliot, it's okay. And then we can use all the loot that we got at the coin changer in that caravan park in Darwin. Good morning, guys. We're in Broome now. Excited to visit and show you the sights. Pete, it's my birthday soon. Luckily for Pete, I don't like pearls and I don't have expensive taste, so he's safe for now. We found a giant abacus. Maybe Pete can learn to count finally. Show us how it works. It's pretty big and difficult to move. That one works. This one kinda. Of course I picked the hard ones. Little shopping area. I think the town is still waking up even though it's like 10:30. It's been very quiet. They have strange people guarding the scooters around here. Hello, sir. Even more static than a London guard. And then we went on a badly corrugated road. It was so bad that our microwave actually fell out and got damaged. There we saw a big dinosaur footprint dated from 120 million years ago. It looks like a big claw, so could have been a giant bird or maybe a T-Rex. Look at the size of my foot in comparison. It's crazy. Cable Beach, guys. Cable Beach. today we're in Coconut Wells, which is about 20 minutes north of Broome. Apparently there's a lot of rock pools made of limestone here, and it's amazing to see, especially at low tide. So we have no idea if it's high or low at the moment, and we're gonna have to walk a little bit because it's a four-wheel drive path only to get there, but we'll see. Hopefully it'll be beautiful. So yeah, we're just gonna walk the four-wheel drive path, I think, because our van is not four-wheel drive and we don't want to get bogged in the sand. That would be bad, especially because, well, there's nobody around here but us right now. It's like being on a tropical island already. So the path is taking a little bit of time, so we're going to cheat just a little bit and send the drone out to survey the area and see if there's a better way to get there.